Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the virtualization on your Windows 11 PC. So to enable the virtualization, first you need to know your function key or the BIOS key to enter your settings. So different PC have different BIOS key for your laptop or desktop. So I'm using a HP laptop here, and if I search for BIOS key for my HP laptop, it shows me that function 10 or escape button is the BIOS key for my laptop. So to enter the BIOS setting, first you just need to go to your start menu, then go to the settings option, and after that you just need to click on this Windows Update. Then you just need to go to the advanced option. Then you need to find a recovery, click on recovery option. Then here you'll find the option called advanced startup. Here you just need to click on restart now button and just click on restart now option. So it will restart your PC. So after that it will restart your PC. It will look like this. Then you will get to this option where you need to choose an option from here. So you just need to click on troubleshoot. After going to the troubleshoot, you need to find this UEFI firmware settings option under the advanced option. So you just need to click on this UEFI firmware settings. Then you need to restart your PC. As you can see, restart to change UEFI firmware settings. Click on restart button here. So it will again start to restart your PC. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then it will show you this menu where you can see there's the BIOS setup. So if you have a different laptop or desktop, you can see the BIOS setup option on your PC. And as you can see, for me, it is function 10. So you just need to press function or the function 10 key in your key at the same time, and you will open this BIOS setup option. So after once you're into the BIOS setup, you need to go to the advanced option here. And after going to the advanced option, you just need to click on this system options here. Click on the system option. Then here you'll find this virtualization technology, which is VTX. So if you don't find this at the top here, you can just scroll down and here you will find this virtualization technology. So to enable that, here you need to check mark this. So as you can see, it's already turned on. So if you don't find this check mark here, you just need to click here to check mark this. So after checking the virtualization technology in VTX, you just need to click save here. So make sure to click save. And after that, click save changes, click on yes. Then after that, you just need to click on exit option here. Click on exit option from the right corner. Then when exiting, save changes, click yes. Then it will start to restart your PC again. And when your PC is restart and running here, you just need to check if the virtualization is turned on or not. So to check that, just go to the task manager, right click on it, click on task manager, then go to the performance tab. And here you can see virtualization, which is enabled for me. So that's how you can check if it's enabled or not. So this is how you can enable virtualization on Windows 11. So that's it guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.